I'm done about this. I'm done. I'm stop. I give up. Stop. What the fuck? What do you want? I'm sorry for swearing. Okay, what do you want? I know something that can help you. You're just sad. Why are you sad? Every day I want to have a peak a day. It never happens. Then my body just goes straight and make a new video. Like, I need to control myself. Like, I can't do it, bro. Every day I'm tired. I'm more tired. I'm more tired. And then one day I'm gonna do it. Don't do it, Micah. Don't do it. Why? Why shouldn't I? No, stop! You saw my pet monkey, Bob. Bob was my favorite monkey. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. You're already a What did you say? What did you say, huh? What did you say? What did you say? Nothing. I'm sorry. I got Discord memes if you want to. I guess I'll have Discord memes. Oh my god, guys, they're a big white circle in the corner. Okay. Why is he changing colors now? What? Okay. Let's see what he's about to do. I want to see it. Come on. I don't have all day. Technically, I do, because I live with my parents because I'm 9. Damn, let's go. Let's see these videos.
Pull up and make that boy cha-cha. Let's go cha-cha. Pull up and make that boy cha-cha.
Goodbye. My heart keeps stopping by.
What the hell? Shaq, you were my best friend. What? This is boring. Like, show me some peak fit. That's low-key true, to be honest. Should I do it or no? Because I want to do it.
Is your baby crying? I'll make them stop. Go to sleep.
Like, do you remember when we were all at school? We were all silly, and we used to throw glue.
Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitarist, this a clock. My best
Hey. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to get your hands off my...
I feel like I'm Gucci Mane in 2006. All these diamonds dancing on my fucking neck.
Test says, scared the wrong